Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Breadnut Street towards Rosemary Close in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Turning off Breadnut Street onto Rosemary Close. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby to the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Rosemary Close ends and we're turning back to Breadnut Street. We are back at Breadnut Street. Going left will take you towards Primrose Close, and going right will take you towards Allamanda Drive and Sage Close. On the right is Allamanda Drive. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.